Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Bluehost WordPress plugins safely, complete guide step by step clearly. Before updating your plugins, ensure you have a recent backup of your website. Access your Bluehost account and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the WordPress section of your dashboard. Select the website you want to update. Click on the Manage button associated with that website. This will take you to the WordPress toolkit. From the toolkit, select the Plugins tab. Here, you will see a list of all installed plugins. Check for any notifications indicating available updates. Before proceeding, read any changelogs for the plugins you plan to update. Taking note of significant changes can help avoid issues. If you are using a caching plugin, clear your cache before updating. To update a plugin individually, click the Update Now link next to it. If you want to update multiple plugins, check the boxes next to their names. Then, select Bulk Actions from the drop-down menu. Choose Update and click Apply. You will see a progress bar indicating the update status. Once completed, review the confirmation messages for any errors. After updates are done, visit your website to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If any issues arise, revert to your backup immediately. Consider checking the settings of the updated plugins to ensure they are configured properly. If you're satisfied with the updates, you're done. For additional safety, it is wise to update your plugins regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.